For some teens facing mental health struggles, getting help could mean missing class. Sometimes that can only add to the stress.
I know kids who are panic-stricken about getting sick, any kind of sickness, because if they miss school, they're going to get behind.
A new study shows more than 50% of teenagers say they need a mental health break from school or work to cope with their mental well-being. That's according to a recent survey of more than 1,900 teenagers by the nonprofit Mental Health America. Since the pandemic began, at least 10 states, including Arizona, Illinois, and Virginia, have passed laws allowing teens to be absent from school for mental or behavioral health reasons. Florida could be next.
This is the piece that's missing in order for our school districts to really, truly embrace mental health through their attendance policies.
According to current state statute, excused absences must be issued by a licensed practicing physician. If passed, Florida House Bill 289 would change that, making it so students would be able to take an excused absence for their mental health and see a licensed professional like a psychologist or mental health counselor instead of having to see a medical doctor.
If your child is overwhelmed with anxiety and is feeling like there's no reason to live, they're going to feel at least as stressed and unable to focus in school as if they had a fever and a sinus infection.
Reporting in Tampa, Jordan Bowen, Fox 13 News.
House Bill 289 had its first reading last week. Representative Valdez expects it to go before its first committee within the next 2 weeks.